I'm Domos.
I am Arduino-based. We are studying 11th at KANCHI matric.hr.sec.school-tiruchendur. In the modern world, efficient water management is crucial for both residential and industrial settings. Water scarcity is a critical issue. An unnoticed water leak in the streets lead to huge amount of water loss. To avoid water scarcity and prevent water wastage, we propose the intelligent water leak alert and control system developed using Arduino microcontroller, addressing this critical issue by providing real-time solutions.
The project integrates GSM module, buzzer, node MCU, relay, solenoid wall, 2 water flow sensor with an Arduino microcontroller to create automated intelligent water leakage detection system. The system continuously monitors the flow of water through the pipes using 2 water flow sensor. If the significant in water flow rate detected, which may indicate a leak, the system immediately triggers the buzzer and send the SMS to the municipality worker and stop the water by closing the solenoid wall. By using node MCU, we can see the flow rate through IoT. In normal condition, the water is flowing normal without any leak. This is a normal condition. When the leak is detected, the system immediately triggers the buzzer and send SMS through GSM to municipality worker. We can also monitor the flow rate through IoT using node MCU.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.